little artists! Are you ready to create something beautiful today? We're going to draw and color some lovely flowers. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a circle in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our flower. Next, let's draw straight lines around the circle, like rays of the sun. These will help us make our petals. Now, connect the top parts of these lines with curved lines. This will create the petals of our flower. Great job! Now, let's draw the stem. A simple straight line going down from the center of the flower. Finally, let's add 2 leaves on the stem. Draw one on each side. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our beautiful flower! It looks fantastic! Now it's time to bring our flower to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. So colorful! Isn't it? Yellow color. Wow! Blue color. Red color. Light green color. Navy blue color. Awesome! Brown color. Green color. Yay! Fantastic job, little artists. Your flower looks so colorful and beautiful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.